I'm Marna. May the 4th be with you. Some of you will get that, some of you won't. Darren and I celebrate all of the holidays, well, most of the holidays, and that includes May 4th for Star Wars. We'll be watching Star Wars movie tonight with these at garage sales, and we got these on clearance. And they're just for fun to put on our bicycles. We have a bicycle display out front. If you look at our holiday highlight in my channel, you will see our... Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue channel. Today is May the 4th, and may the 4th be with you. I always run out of time before I run out of ideas. Hi, I'm Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue channel, and today is May the 4th, Star Wars Day. May the Force be with you. Darren and I offered a challenge into the Dolly community of filming a video with anything space. Your dolls in a space outfit or space setup or pictures on the moon, whatever you want to do. It did not have to be Star Wars. Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and happy May the 4th. Each year, Darren and I host... Hi, I'm Marna.
And I'm Darren.
Happy May the 4th. Every year, Darren and I offer a challenge for you to bring out your Star Wars collection.
Hi, I'm Darren.
And I'm Marna.
And this is the Dolls Rescue channel. And today is May the 4th. May the 4th be with you.
Aren't these cute? These were at Walmart, marked down to $1.50. Then I was at a different Walmart, and I hadn't bought a couple. I think these two. These were the only two our Walmart had. We went to a different Walmart. These were the only two they had, and they were 75 cents. These are the only Star Wars purchases we've made this year, aren't they?
It's all that I can remember.
It's all that I remember. We thank you for watching what Darren has compiled through the years, and I'm sure he forgot a few years, and that's okay. How long have we been doing this?
You know what? I can't remember.
Can't
It's been quite a few years.
4 or 5 years anyway.
I-
Thank you for watching. Darren and I are live on Thursday nights at 6 o'clock p.m. I hope you'll join us. Please leave on this video a like, a comment, and subscribe. If you have a video today for Star Wars or anything space, please leave that in the comments. We do not want to miss one of those. Thank you for watching.